Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your profile preferences on Glassdoor. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, go to your profile, which is at the fourth icon at the top of the screen. Then click on the profile preferences and you can set up your job search status, desired salary range, your ideal job or job type, preferred locations, preferred industries, and company size, employees. So these are the preferences you can set up in this app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.